Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Yeah, yeah. So, John, that YouTube is working now. I have removed that Facebook thing.
Okay. Yeah.
There's some issue with the Facebook credentials here, like the stream credentials are.
Okay. Okay.
Because like YouTube is working fine, so
Mhm.
I am also like seeing this thing.
Okay.
Why not? It
Tell me.
is.
So are we restarting this or
Yeah, the stream is already live, but I think the user URL is incorrect. Let me check. I have sent out the. I have shared in the chat the YouTube link.
Yes.
Why this highlighted to stage is not working?
Yeah, even I also seeing that. I think the link will not be working. I think the direct link message.
Yeah.
We need to post it as what do we say? We have that bold, italic, and everything, right? So we have to paste it in that, and then only it will get highlighted. The normal link messages are not getting highlighted on stage.
looks like there is a bug with hyperlink, right? In that
Yeah.
case, I'm removing it from the stage. Let me try it out with this highlighted one. But also the other day we saw it had some issue with the tags also present, right?
Yeah. I think when you do that thing, I think it will get it. When you do with rich text,
Okay, I am I'm
I
I'm
think last
adding
time.
this. Yeah,
So,
right.
yeah.
Still not working.
Okay.
I have pinned it here, but on stage it is not working. This says hyperlink, but still same thing, Bala, right? You're also doing the
Yeah,
same.
yeah.
There's a bug. We need to fix this.
I think it worked. I think yesterday when Winky joined last Friday, I did that.
But I think there were some tags present. It was
Yeah,
not a
yeah,
clear
yeah, yeah,
message,
yeah. Yes.
right? So that hypertext level handling is still not present.
Hmm.
And CNBC team would be using this. They are putting some
Yeah,
links also. Of
yeah,
course, they pin the chat, but this might be present in this.
yeah,
So it should look good actually, right? I mean, it cannot be a
yeah.
HTML tag level of messaging. So it should be neat and clean. Um, Hope the team members are
Yeah.
watching this over YouTube also. John, can you come back here? Want to understand? Have we assigned this streaming at attendee level streaming watching from town hall streaming also? Town hall, session hall level. Hi, John. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes,
From Mux also we are watching it, right?
yes. I'm also watching that in YouTube. Uh, so I see a little bit of like lag in the video. Uh, the audio is coming first and video
In Mux,
not in Mux, in YouTube, even in the YouTube.
YouTube. Okay, YouTube it is there.
Yes.
From Mux it is correct. I mean overall.
Mux, we already checked it, right? Yesterday, there is a AV sync issue. Like the audio comes first, and later video comes. Like
Hmm.
we clearly observe that that even Bala has joined yesterday, so he also uh,
Yeah. I think
Okay.
yesterday from attendee side, I can see that there is a direct lip sync issue. So
Okay. We were trying to understand like what is performing better, right? Is this a source level issue? See, here there are, like we discussed yesterday, there could be a source level issue, there could be at intermediate RTM payout level issue. It could be at a vendor, the HLS vendor level issue also. And in the end, it could be at the last stage, it could be at a attendee level issue as well, right? There are multiple points where anything can go wrong. So we need to understand, is it consistent for all our team members or not?
yeah, that's what we need to check with all. So all the team members who are watching, they need to respond in the at least in the chat or some
yeah,
group or
Yeah,
anything else. Like
yeah, somewhere
yeah.
in the product team discussion, or please drop a message in chat in the town hall so that we'll get to know.
try with the different you'll be in different internet environment, right? So even the player, like CPU matters, like how much CPU you are using. Like maybe if your CPU is hot, like system will be slow.
Mhm.
You can't observe the AV sync observation, like.
Yeah, Ganesh's message something. I see we. Yeah, but put the medium also, channel also.
Uh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's come up with a format. Who is posting? Name. Which channel? Basically, the town hall attendee session or YouTube. How much delay? Is it a 1 second, 2 second? Just to understand it roughly. Ganesh, you are on studio itself. You are seeing this. This is another problem. Is facing this at the studio level itself.
I think is it studio means like the speaker level, or is it an attendee level? I think it should be an attendee. I'm expecting it.
Yeah. Studio level.
He's at a backstage, so not sure how come this attendee. Okay. Oh, then it is a. You should say attendee session hall. This is the vocabulary we will be using. Okay,
Speaker
VK
is
says
yeah.
it looks. Yeah, it's good for him, right? So that's what we want to understand, right? See, if there is a problem for the source side, right, then it will affect everyone, no matter how good is your system or how good is your internet bandwidth, because source has a distorted or issue, right, in the streaming. So there is some probability attendee side issues are also present.
I request
Let's put,
everyone to comment.
yeah,
At least if
everyone
you're
should
not,
put it.
yeah, if you're not facing issue, also please drop a message saying that we are not seeing any recent issues.
Yeah. So Ganesh said he has some issue, but let's follow this format. John has provided a new format, name, platform, amount of delay, browser, CPU, right? And
Add a comment also, if you
yeah,
are fine, make sure mention it all there.
yes, yes. So this is without any screen share. Let's see how it works. Then we will also use screen sharing
Yeah.
because that will also require understanding, right? A YouTube video, anything we want to share. Is it having any sync issue? Who has joined as Uday?
But
Yeah.
Who is Uday here?
Someone.
the person who has joined Uday, come on. At least you have just did copy paste.
Uday, who are you?
I think definitely it should be from testing team only.
We appreciate for the correction.
Name Rahul, platform attendee and YouTube. Okay. The
But
AB
what is next, Rahul? Rahul, it is just a name and platform. What's
yeah.
your observation? You can put something.
Yeah. What? So there is Sachin like.
Uday is Sachin.
Such okay.
It is a mathematical. Uday equals to Sachin.
I
Okay,
got
so what Sachin has mentioned is like you need to uh, refer to 720p also. Like we need to compare with
Yeah,
720p,
yeah, we should.
how the resolution, how the lip sync in 720p as well as in 1080.
Yeah, so guys, you can switch it manually, right? By default, it is auto mode, right? Where you need not to change it. But now we will test it for 720 also. In case you see any AV sync issue with 1080, which is a by default one, try to switch it to 720 and see whether there is any improvement or not. If there is a consistent issue with 720 also, then we'll understand this is like we are analyzing the details. Conclusion will be based on all these logged details only, right? So in this format, John, we need to put the quality also, the template you have shared, right?
I think again a contradict statement from Vika. I could see the moments in the video time delayed. Maybe a frame rate is less. Attendee session hall. Earlier he said he didn't see any AB sync issues in
Hmm.
attendee side.
Could be possible that initially it was good, but later this problem started appearing. Could be possible. John, we need one more data. Name, platform, amount of delay, browser CPU, selector resolution, and timestamp. Because initially something works fine, but later it might get worse. Okay, we should keep talking. Anything?
I think I see Akshat's message in the product team discussion. He said that fire security changes is causing the issue on stage questions and chat. It's not a bug. And also he posted that attendee session hall platform amount of delay noticeable 1 to 2 seconds. Browser Chrome in cognitive and CPU with different regards.
We'll say it's a bug actually. Whatever was present and it is not working is a bug. Now we need to take care of it a little separately, the security issue and all those things. That will take care of it. We'll discuss with Akshat and see what can be done. But this is important feature for our studio, right?
And then
Security has its own angle, but we cannot deprecate this.
and then there is one interesting comment in Ganesh from product team discussion in product team discussion channel. Same thing, but two changes. Amount of delay is sub second to 1 second. My CPU usage of the PC is less than 10%, but the pressure on my memory is high.
Lot of pressure, right?
Yeah.
Ganesh, is it like the which memory? Is it like a browser level memory consumption or at a device level memory?
Yeah, I think we can go ahead in the chat messages. I think TY YouTube streaming is faster compared to the attendee streaming platform. I think it should be yes, right, John?
Faster in the sense like uh, maybe like yeah.
I think
So
live is little bit faster.
yeah, live will be faster. So we can able to select the while giving live stream in YouTube, we can give the low latency, high latency, like that. Maybe Sachin has selected the low latency option.
Okay. VK also says, yeah, on white it is much better.
Why? Because YouTube has a big screen. We can see that in a big screen. It might also be like a change. As an
And they,
attendee, when compared to YouTube, the size was very less, right?
Hmm.
yeah.
But the thing is, if the container size is big, right? It requires higher quality.
Yes.
I also have opened the YouTube link also. This this doesn't seem like it is a 1080.
So
It
it
looks
might
like
be
it
a
is a lower one.
compressed, yeah, compressed one.
Hmm.
So
It'll,
the YouTube streaming, what they'll do is they'll downgrade. So they'll not downgrade it. They compress the video quality and optimize that to all the resolutions.
yeah, so I can see 1080 HD in the option in our YouTube, but the actual quality doesn't seem like it is 1080. It feels like it is a 720 or even below 720,
Okay.
somewhere around 720.
Can you also see the nuts on YouTube by right clicking?
Can you come again?
Can you see the nuts? Right click and stats for nuts.
Just a second. Yeah, it is.
So
Okay, which metric you want me to see?
we can compare all the things here. The live stream latency is very low.
Yeah,
And
yeah. Live latency is a 6 second for me, 6.17 around.
yeah, okay, I see a zero in latency. Right.
No, that means it's running really good for you.
Yeah,
But how come zero? It is HLS, right?
yeah. Now it came to 5 seconds, 5.1 seconds.
Yeah, around 5 it is expected.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there is no difference between real time and HLS.
And there is no drop in the frames also, like sorry, resolution also. it says 1920 1080 itself, 30 frames.
So you are happy or not? You are saying it like, okay, it is not. Yeah.
So yeah, that is full resolution, right? So
Yes, yes, full
yeah,
resolution.
yes. But we can clearly see the drop of frame rates. I see 13 drops.
Mhm. I see 33 dropped from around 7500, 7600, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
From 7600 frames, 33 is nothing.
Uh, but yeah, when compared to seconds, or when divided into seconds, like we cannot observe that, but
Hmm.
there'll be a
We
like,
cannot observe.
yeah,
This
yeah.
is 1% is also looks good. I mean, we cannot observe 1% also. This is even below that.
Before that, I have one thing. Aishwarya says that did the stream stop?
Which stream again? Which
Yeah,
channel?
Town hall, town hall.
the YouTube, I think it is working well.
As an attendee, it's marks.
I can,
Say share some video. So, but only thing is sharing will not drop any frames or anything. It will share like seamlessly. Like the quality of shared video will be very good, and compared to this. I'll share a video, a YouTube video.
Hmm. But let's address Aishwarya's problem. She said uh, to stop or something, right?
Yeah.
Now it
even
is stop for her. She will not be able to hear.
even Singapore, I don't know which attendee it is. Formatted stopped for a while as a attendee. Stopped for a while. Okay. Vijay here. Okay.
Yeah, we should have a proper name here because who will
Stopped.
understand?
Is it a passed
Uh,
from attendee persona?
Um, Not
Again,
sure.
Aishwarya says I saw a buffering in between and I refreshed and I got it back.
Hmm. Actually, you can put some detail on the CPU and memory. Is it like unresponsiveness was there? It's running for more than 20 minutes now, right?
Yes, 23 minutes. Yes.
Hmm. What else we want to do? We want to
Share.
check sharing a YouTube video something.
Yes.
Okay, Shurya said no interruption. John, can we share some video where there is a communication is happening, right? That's where we will understand the AV sync. Somebody's talking with that viewport.
with
Yeah,
some of
this
this
is better.
stuff, I'm thinking, uh-oh, what does my future look like?
I, I mean, I think there's sort of two views you can take. You can say, oh man, it's doing everything I do. What's going to happen to me? Or you can say, like through every other technological revolution in history, okay, now there's this new tool. I can do a lot more. What am I going to be able to do? It is true that the expectation of what we'll have for
Getting
someone
the
in a particular
streaming
job
software
increases.
Sorry.
to the streaming.
Sorry, Sachin. Can you repeat? Hello. Sachin, can you repeat? I didn't hear.
Looks like he's talking, but we are not able to hear. There is a green line
Yeah.
border.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this I think screen share will not be present on the streaming because of this. There is some issue with the Firebase.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
When did we know about this? Like, how do we know that it is not working or work? If not working, it is due to Firebase.
So I think Akshat already mentioned in the thing like the Firebase issue, right? We are talking about. This is the issue like we are talking about the because the Firebase is not working properly with the connection and all these things. So screen share is like part of that some subscription. So that's why it is not working. This layout change and all these things. So I'll ask him to like just reward that thing for the testing purpose.
Let's do it immediately then. In that case, we we need the results for this. Firebase security is not a urgent thing. We can revert it and verify these changes first.
I think he said he has reverted the changes, Akshat.
Yes. Yeah. Take the bill and
Increases, but the capabilities will increase so dramatically that I think it'll be easy to rise to that occasion.
So this impressed me too. I asked it to imagine Charlie Brown as thinking of himself as an AI. Came up with this. I thought this was actually rather profound. What do you think? I mean, the writing quality of some of the new models, not just here but in detail, is it's really going to a new level.
Yeah, I mean, this is an incredible meta answer, but there's really no way to know if it is thinking that or it just saw that a lot of times.
I think it's still not visible, I guess.
It is not visible, but we can hear audio, right?
Okay.
yeah, audio can be heard because like only the layout issue is there. The layout is not changing.
Are we reverting it?
Yeah, ask Akshat to do it.
Can you let's invite Akshat here. Let's see. Is he attending from attendee side? Akshat, can
I
you
think
join
it's
studio?
test news new three, so I'm inviting you.
Test 3 new 3.
Hi guys, I'm here.
So
Can you?
Akshat, is this Firebase issue causing the problem?
So, Swapnil,
Swapnil, we cannot
yeah,
hear you.
uh, you can hear me, right, Swapnil?
Yeah, I can hear. Can
Yeah.
you hear me?
So, yeah, I can hear you. Bala is
Let
not
me
able
go
to
back.
hear.
Bala is not able to hear. Bala, can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead,
Yeah.
Akshat.
So, the thing is, Swapnil, I have got the role reverted from Praveen's side, and what I see right now is on Sandbox Town Hall. I'm checking a room preview website. Over there, the screen share layout is visible. Uh, John, can you share the screen again?
So one question here, Akshat, like when you reverted that rule,
Just a few minutes back. I think it's been around 10 minutes. I told Praveen to do it at one second. I'll tell you the
Okay,
exact time.
then I think we need to stop the stream first.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, because like I think you recently reverted, but the
Yeah.
stream was going from long, very long time, right?
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Now it should be working.
Yeah, and now I can see it in YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can also
Uh,
see it on YouTube.
yeah, yeah.
Into the
Let's
training set.
continue
And of
this
course, like,
testing.
if you can't tell the difference, how much do you care?
So that's really interesting. It doesn't. We don't know. Isn't there though? Like at first glance, this looks like IP theft. Like, do you guys don't have a deal with the Peanuts estate, or?
Spotlight shine bright all on me. Got the internet talking like, who is she?
You can clap about that all you want. Enjoy. The I will say that I think the creative spirit of humanity is an incredibly important thing. And we want to build tools that lift that up, that make it so that new people can create better art, better content, write better novels that we all enjoy. I believe very deeply that humans will be at the center of that. I also believe that we probably do need to figure out some sort of new model around the economics of creative output. I think people have been building on the creativity of others for a long time. People take inspiration for a long time. But as the access to creativity gets incredibly democratized and people are building off of each other's ideas all the time, I think there are incredible new business models that we and others are excited to explore. Exactly what that's going to look like, I'm not sure. Like, clearly, there's some cut and dry stuff. Like, you can't copy someone else's work. But how much inspiration can you take? If you say, I want to generate art in the style of these 7 people, all of whom have consented to that, how do you like divvy up how much money goes to each one?
Right.
These are like big questions. But every time throughout history we have put better and more powerful technology in the hands of creators, I think we collectively get better creative output and people do just more amazing stuff.
I mean, an even bigger question is when they haven't consented to it. In our opening session, Carol Cadwallader showed, ChatGPT give a talk in the style of Carol Cadwallader, and sure enough, it gave a talk that wasn't quite as good as the talk she gave, but it was pretty impressive. And she said, "Okay, it's great, but I did not consent to this." How are we going to navigate this? Like, isn't there a way? Should it just be people who consented, or shouldn't there be a model that somehow says that any named individual in a prompt whose work is then used, they should get something for that?
So right now, if you use our image gen thing and say, I want something in the style of a living artist, it won't do that. But if you say I want it in the style of this particular kind of vibe, or this studio, or this art movement, or whatever, it will. And obviously, if you're output a song that is like a copy of the song, it won't do that. The question of where that line should be and how people say this is too much, we sorted that out before with copyright law and kind of what fair use looks like. Again, I think in the world of AI, there will be a new model that we figure out. But
from,
right
from
now,
the point of view, I mean, the world's
current
full of
one.
creative people are some of the angriest people right now, or the most scared people about AI. And the difference between feeling your work's being stolen from you and your future is being stolen from you, and feeling your work is being amplified and can be amplified, those are such different feelings. And if we could shift to the other one,
Yeah.
to the second one, I think that really changes how much humanity as a whole embraces all this.
Well, again, I would say some creative people are very upset. Some creatives are like, this is the most amazing tool ever. I'm doing
true.
incredible new work. But, it's definitely a change. And I have a lot of empathy to people who are just I wish this change weren't happening. I liked the way things were before. I liked sorry.
But in principle, you can calculate from any given prompt how much. There should be some way of being able to calculate what percentage of subscription revenue or whatever goes towards each answer. In principle, it should be possible if one could get the rest of the rules figured out. And it's obviously complicated. You could calculate some kind of revenue share, no?
If you're a musician and you spend your whole life your whole childhood, whatever, listening to music, and then you get an idea and you go compose a song that is inspired by what you've heard before, but a new direction. It'd be very hard for you to say like, this much was from this song I heard when I was 11, this much from when I saw.
That's right, but we're talking here about the situation where someone specifically in a prompt names someone.
Yeah, so well, again, right now, if you try to like go generate an image in a name style, we just say that are assisted and we don't do it. But I think it would be cool to figure out a new model where if you say, I want to do it in the name of this artist and they opt in, there's a revenue model there.
Okay.
I think that's a good thing to explore.
So I think the world should help you figure out that model quickly, and I think it will make a huge difference, actually. I want to switch topics quickly. The battle between your model and open source, how much were you shaken up by the arrival of DeepSeek?
I think open source has an important place. We actually just last night hosted our first like community session to kind of decide the parameters of our open source model and how we want to shape it. We're going to do a very powerful open source model. I think this is important. We're going to do something near the frontier, I think better than any current open source model out there. This will not be all, like there will be people who use this in ways that some people in this room, maybe you or I, don't like. But there is going to be an important place for open.
So I hope everyone has observed. If you have anything else, like someone can keep on watching. I'll continue this video. Is that okay, Swapnil? Or should we stay online? So they'll keep on watching. So Sachin, can you do a thing like can you share the download of this video and share it with me, like, or else save this video so that I'll verify the timeline. Yeah, is it constantly delaying the video, or it is delayed for a few timelines, or we need to watch that?
So, like on the YouTube, I am seeing one error message where it says your stream has been temporarily blocked because we detected video belonging to someone else.
Hello.
Oh, okay, copyrights.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Like now, I'm able to download it or not.
Okay,
I'm also not seeing any download action button on the studio.
yeah, obviously, copyrights stream unavailable. Yeah. Uh, so okay, shit. So
How come this is like a copyright? Now you shared this YouTube right video screen shared. That's why, like,
yeah,
I think.
yes, because of YouTube video. Okay, it's okay, no problem. We'll try to download the Max video itself.
YouTube got stopped, right?
Yeah. Due to copyrights.
Okay, they are processing this as well.
Yeah. So, Bala, can we download this video in Max?
Not sure how to do it, but yeah, if you tell me the way, I can do it.
Until then, we can continue with attendee session hall, right?
Yeah.
But
I just want to know, Swapnil, whether it is delayed for the entire session, or else it is delayed for the is it constantly delayed, or it is delayed irrespectively. You got my point?
Mhm. Yeah. See, general behavior, what I see, it might vary from time to time. General behavior. But again, where is the exact issue present, right? if that issue is at the source side only before it goes to HLS, then it should start from the beginning itself.
Yes, constant
Yeah,
delay.
that is what we want. Yeah, constantly means maybe the issue might get worsen. Even maybe initially it is 0.5 second, then it is a point 0.1 point, or maybe 1.2 something. But it is always